There was a time when he worked an ordinary job. Every night after work, he'd spent hours chasing his dream. People laughed. They said, "It'll never work." But he had something they didn't. Fire. The fire to create something that could change the world. He turned his small garage into an office. A broken chair, an old desk, and a single computer. Days passed. Nights turned into mornings. He faced failures, system crashes, rejections, but he never stopped. And then one day, his website got its first order. Just $20. But that $20 changed everything. It was proof that his idea could work. From that moment, there was no turning back. Slowly, people started noticing his work. Reviews came in. Clients returned. His late nights started paying off, one sale at a time. Then an investor showed up and said, "I believe in what you're building." That single conversation became the turning point of his life. Today, that same garage startup is a global empire. And the man behind it? Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. Jeff didn't start with money or power. He started with belief. He believed that if others could build something great, so could he. And that belief became his biggest strength. Success never comes overnight. It's built through small steps, endless effort, and those quiet nights when nobody's watching, but you still keep going. Those moments define who you become. And today, in the era of AI, you don't need millions to start your journey. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and determination. With tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Canva, you have the same power big companies once paid thousands for. Your garage story can start today. Take that first step. Learn one new skill each day. Stay consistent, even when no one's watching, because one day the world will watch, and your story will inspire millions. This was another inspiring story from Rise to Riches, where we share real stories that turn dreamers into doers. If you felt inspired, hit that subscribe button. And remember, Rise to Riches, inspiring your journey from zero to success.